Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Bet365 application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Bet365 app on your Android is easy. First, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open up your Play Store. In the search box, type in Bet365 and search. You might not be able to find the application for every countries out there. So, if you don't find it on your Play Store, open up your web browser on your mobile device. In the search box, search for Bet365 APK and pick this first link which will take you to apkpure.com. Tap on Download APK button to download the Bet365 app. Tap Download button again one more time on the next page and tap on the download button in the pop-up. Once the download starts, wait until it finishes. Once the application has been downloaded, tap on the install button to begin the installation process. Once the application is installed, tap on the open button to open the app, and that is how you'll be able to download the Bet365 application right on your Android. Now the application shortcut will be available on your app drawer. That is how you can easily download Bet365 application on your Android phone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.